I'm in the process of setting up a company to self-sponsor my H-1B. I already have a H-1B visa that is now inactive. Can I transfer that to the new company? Well, if you say your H-1B is inactive, then what is your status? Presuming you are in status, or presuming you're out of the country and you have never been out of status, it would not be a transfer since you don't have an active H-1B status right now. It would mostly be a new H-1, either a change of status if you're presently in the US in a different status, or consular processing if you're outside the country. So, yeah, and you're cap exempt, so you should be able to file either one of them, depending on your situation. Now the question is whether you can work for your own company. As of January of this year, there is a new provision whereby you can self-sponsor. That means you can sponsor your own H1. However, there's some caveats. One is it's for a limited period of time. I think it's for 2 years. It's not for 6 years as the other H1s are. Second, you have to show that you will be doing specialty occupation work. So specialty occupation work is pretty much work that requires a bachelor's degree in a specific field. So while you can do some amount of administrative work that is allowed, but majority of your time should be spent doing that specialty occupation job. So for example, if you want to run a software company and you want to self-sponsor, you have to sponsor as a IT manager or a software engineer, and you should be doing, most of the time you should be doing that work. So that may not be convenient for some people. In addition to that, you have to show that there is an employer-employee relationship. And that is only possible if there's more than one person in your company. If you're the only one, then there's no employer-employee relationship. So what you can do is either get a partner, give him 51% stake, and then they have obviously the power to hire and fire you. So there is an employer-employee relationship. Or you can appoint a board of directors and give them the power to hire and fire. In which case, then that will also suffice to show that there is employer-employee relationship. I hope that answers your question.